Next example, solve the equation by using Gauss-Seidel method. 5x plus 2y plus z is equals to 12, x plus 4y plus 2z is equals to 15, x plus 2y plus 5z is equals to 20, taking 0, 0, 0. Okay, as an initial approximation. For how many iteration you have to do it? For 4 iterations. Therefore, these are the initial approximation values. X of 0 value, y of 0 value is 0, z of 0 value is also 0. So in the solution, first what we need to do is write these 3 equations. After writing, call first equation as equation number 1, second as equation number 2, third as equation number 3. First, check diagonal coefficient should not be 0. See, x coefficient 5, y coefficient 4, z coefficient is 5. These are the diagonal elements, correct? So this is true. All diagonal coefficient is not 0. Next, and it should be large number compared to other coefficients. So you know 5 is greater than 2 as well as 1, 4 is greater than 1 and 2, and 5 is greater than 1 and 2. Therefore, first condition, that is the first point, holds good. What is that first point? Diagonal coefficient should not be 0. Here it is not equals to 0, and these diagonal coefficient should be large number compared to other coefficients. Next, after this, write 3 unknowns x, y, z using 3 equations. Correct? So see, first we need x value. So how to write that x value? So first, x is equals to what is the coefficient of x? 5. So right here 1 divided by 5 into bracket, right hand side 12 is there, keep it as it is, shift plus y to right hand side, minus 2y, sorry, plus 2y to right hand side, it becomes minus 2y, and plus z to right hand side, it becomes minus z. So this is the first equation. Next, second equation, y. Therefore, y is equals to, y coefficient is 4. So, write 1 divided by 4 into bracket. Already right hand side 15 is there. Keep it as it is. Plus x becomes minus x after shifting. And plus 2z, if I shift, it becomes minus 2z. So, this is the second equation. Next, in the using equation number 3, go for z. Therefore, z is equals to, what is the coefficient of z here? 5. So write 1 divided by 5 into bracket 20, keep it as it is, plus x. If I shift, this becomes minus x, and plus 2y. If I shift, this becomes minus 2y. So this is the second step. So what is that second step? Write 3 unknowns x, y, z using equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Next, consider the initial approximation values now. So you can see here in the given question, initial approximation, first one 0, second is also 0, third is also 0. Therefore, write all 3 initial approximation values. X of 0 is 0, y of 0 is 0, z of 0 is also 0. Now write first iteration. So first iteration means, this means finding x of 1, y of 1, z of 1 values by previously considered the values of x, y, z. So see how I will write. So instead of writing x, right here x of 1 is equals to 1 divided by 5 as it is, 1 divided by 5 as it is, into bracket. So 12 minus, again here 2, again don't write y, so we need to write a previously considered value. What is that previously considered value here? Y of 0, correct? Minus, again previously considered value is, instead of writing z, write here z of 0. Next, y of 1, y of 1 is equals to, next 1 divided by 4 into bracket. So next 15, 15 minus, x becomes x of 0 minus 2 into z becomes z of 0. And next z of 1 is equals to 1 divided by 5 into bracket 20 minus x becomes x of 0 minus 2 into y becomes y of 0. Next, similarly go for second iteration. So next, second iteration. Therefore x of 1 becomes x of 2. X of 2 is equals to 1 divided by 5 into bracket 12 as it is, minus 2 into previously considered value. Instead of writing y of 0, next we need to write y of 1 minus, next z of 1, next y of 2 is equals to 1 divided by 4 into bracket 15 minus x of 1 minus 2 into z of 1, z of 1, and last z of 2. Z of 2 is equals to 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5 into bracket 20 minus x of 1 minus 2 into y of 1, y of 1. Next, third iteration. Third iteration. So x of 2 becomes x of 3. X of 3 is equals to 1 divided by 5 into 12 minus, so right, 1 divided by 5 into bracket 12 minus 2 into right y of 2 minus z of 2, previously considered values. Okay, so here y of 1 is there, z of 1 is there, so replace by y of 2, z of 2. Next, similarly y of 3 is equals to, this becomes 1 divided by 4 into bracket 15 minus x of 2 minus 2 into z of 2. X of 1 becomes x of 2, z of 1 becomes z of 2. Next, z of 3 is equals to 1 divided by 5 into 20 minus x of 2 minus 2 into y of 2. Correct? This x of 1 becomes x of 2, y of 1 becomes y of 2. So third iteration. Next, fourth iteration. So next x of 3 becomes x of 4 is equals to 1 divided by 5 as it is into bracket 12. So 12 minus 2 into y of 2 becomes y of 3 minus z of 2 becomes z of 3. Next y of 3, right here y of 4 is equals to 1 divided by 4 into bracket 15 minus x of 3 minus 2 into z of, it becomes 3. Next z of 3 becomes z of 4 is equals to 1 divided by 5 into bracket 20 minus x of 3 minus 2 into y of 2 becomes y of 3. Okay. So after writing all 4 iteration values, next directly use the calculator. So if you use the calculator directly, you will get all first iteration values, all second iteration, all third iteration, as well as all 4 iteration values you will get. Therefore first reset the calculator. So how to reset? Press shift, then press clear, that is 9, then press 3, so 2 times equal, so reset. After that fix the calculator to 4 decimal. How to how to fix the calculator to 4 decimal? Press shift, then press setup, then here you can say fix, that is press 6, then it will ask you how many decimals. We need 4 decimal, therefore press 4. After this write the first equation. So how to write? Press alpha, then here it is x is equals to, for is equals to again press alpha and is equals to 1 divided by 5, therefore press this button. Next 1 divided by 5, let's press in bracket 12 minus 2y minus z. So 12 minus 2 for y, alpha and y, 12y minus z is there, but in the calculator here z is not there. So what we need to do, instead of taking z, we have to take m, correct? Therefore press alpha, then press m, close the bracket. Clear? So now first equation is over. Next go for the second equation. So before writing the second equation, press alpha colon, then y is equals to 1 divided by 4, press alpha y, alpha is equals to, again press this 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, then in bracket 15 minus x, 15 minus press alpha x minus 2z, again 2, next press alpha, z means m, close the bracket. Next last equation, again press alpha colon, z is equals to, but what we are taking z as m, therefore press alpha m, press alpha is equals to 1 divided by 5, press this button, 1 divided by 5 into bracket 20 minus x, 20 minus press alpha x minus 2y, so 2 press alpha again y, close the bracket. Here it is, close the bracket. So after writing all 3 equation in the calculator, next press calculator. So press calculator. So it will ask you the initial approximation value. So what is the y value starting here? 0. So 0 is equals to, again it will ask you m means z. So what is the z value here? Previously we have taken 0, so 0. Then press is equals to, therefore 12 divided by 5. After getting 12 divided by 5, so press this button, so it will convert in decimal 2.4. Therefore which is equals to, in the first iteration x of 1 value directly becomes 2.4 double triple zero. Next is equals to second value, again press this button, 3.15 double zero. Next is equals to, again press this button, 2.26 double zero. So we got first iteration value. Next go for the second. Now again press is equals to, in the calculator is equals to, it will ask you the y value. Now previously considered value y of 1, how much we got? 3.1500. So type 3.1500, then press is equals to m value. So m is 2.2600, 2.2600. Then press is equals to, so that time this x of 2 becomes, so press this, 0 0.6880, 0.6880, correct. Then again press is equals to, then press this 2.4480, again press is equals to, then press this button, so 2.8832, correct. So next for third iteration, again press is equals to, it will ask you y value. So now y of 2 is 2.4480, so type 2.4480, plus is equals to, z value is 2.8832, 2.8832, correct. Therefore so now which is equals to, therefore press is equals to, then press this decimal, so 0.8442, that is the first value. Again press is equals to, so 2.0974 is equals to 2.9922, 2.9922. So next again is equals to, it will ask you the y value. So now previously we got 2.0974, so 2.0974, correct. So next z value 2.9922, 2.9922, so press is equals to, therefore in the fourth iteration first value becomes, press this button, 0.9626, correct. So next is equals to, again press this button, 2.0133, okay. So next and last value becomes is equals to 3.0022, correct. Therefore x value becomes this, 0.9626 is nearly equal to 1, and y is equals to 2.0133, again it is nearly equal to 2, and z is equals to 3.0022, okay, 3.0022, and this value is also nearly equals to 3. Therefore x is 1, y is 2, and z value becomes 3. So this is the solution.